Welcome to another Old Crow's Classic Cars video. I'm just going to show you in this video, I'm just going to show the before on the cab restoration on the International. So, show you around what it looks like before I start restoring it. So you can see a bunch of crappy repairs were attempted. It's nice that they use this black stuff here, some sort of sealant on the seams, but it's just full of patches. And everything's bent, and that's not good because water can stop. Then over here they just did some spot welds, didn't even bother to seal the seams, the joints, so that's very bad. Holes everywhere. So there's a few holes here. There's a big hole in the middle there. So that's what that part looks like. And underneath there's a bunch of crap. That's all, you can't see it there. You can't get the phone in either. So somebody's shitty body work was done here as well. So it's just cracking off there and there. There's a big hole there. That's just from the water sitting. See, water would come in through there. I'm not too sure what that thing's for. I think it's called a cowl. I don't know what the purpose of that is. There are all holes here. Looks like this piece was replaced at some point. Again, very bad quality work. So this side's horrible. This part is pretty bad though. So again, we've got that there. Holes there. Crap done there. My chair here in the way. That pretty much covers it for the cab. Yep, I think that's pretty much it in terms of cab work. You'll see the next video. So my procedure now is just cut all the rust spots out. It's like those odd shaped rust holes. I just cut them into squares. And then just remove all this garbage sheet. Then I'll cut all the required pieces and I'll weld them all on. It's a lot faster if you do it that way instead of cutting each piece individually and then welding them one at a time. Just cut everything up, cut everything off, and then cut the required pieces, and then just weld. Instead of cutting, welding, then cutting, measuring, welding, measuring, cutting, welding. Right. So production line.